It's a must buy. You have to get this if you're driving a 3.6, man. You have to get it. What's going on, y'all? Listen, man, I'm on my phone today, but what's important and what's about to happen right now is I'm gonna pop the hood and I'm gonna show y'all this new mod that I got. But before I get to that, let me that bitch makes a hell of a difference. So listen, man, I'm gonna take y'all with me real quick, man. I'm gonna show y'all what it is that I did, and yeah, man, let's see what y'all think of this shit. Okay, so what I ended up replacing was this bad boy right here. That is a 80mm ported throttle body. Everything else is still the same intake, but right here I have the old one, and you see all the oil, and it's crazy. So I actually need to get a catch can eventually. But yeah, man, that's the OEM. Still works, still perfectly fine. And yeah, it's just really greasy, man. So this one is ported. I don't think I have to explain what ported is, but everything looks the same. Only thing is the little clamp. It's a piece that normally sits right here. As a matter of fact, it's this right here, that piece. That doesn't have it. So this little thing just hangs, but it's cool. So yeah, man, 80mm ported. This is actually gonna be the next replacement on the engine. I'm gonna take this out, trash it, and go with ported on that. And other than that, for now, that's it. I don't know if I want to roll with a turbo or rip supercharger or what the case is. I don't know yet, but the engine bay will be changing. Aside from all of this stuff, and keep in mind, these two things in conjunction with this require no tune. They're bolt on and go. So the website actually says for the throttle body, it said the power increases range from 7 to 10%. I don't know the numbers. I'll throw that number in the video right here. And yeah, no tune required, bolted on, boom, done. Go on about your day. So for the install, man, for those that aren't really tech savvy, so 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, and 4. That's all you need, man. The new one didn't come with the bolts, and it's cool because the ones from the OEM one just bolt right in. I did replace the gasket for it that sits at the back, which is the gasket that's going to sit right along the edge. So gasket sits right here. I did replace that, threw the old one away, and yeah, that was it, man. Done. Nothing too crazy, nothing too complicated, super simple. So yeah, let me give y'all a few revs with it in the engine bay, and we can get back to this, man. So yeah, man, the throttle body, what comes on the 300 3.6 is stock, is a 74mm. So I actually went digging. I actually went researching like a lot, and I came across this website, Modern Muscle Extreme, and they specialize in realistically Hemi parts slash Mopar products, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong about that. Some of y'all might actually know the website. Y'all probably did business with them. So my first experience with this company, and I'm actually trying to work out a sponsorship right now. But yeah, man. First impressions on this thing, man, is it's a fucking game changer. It's a fucking game changer through and through. Like, there's no gimmicks, there's no false fucking documents or false info on the website about it. It's a legit company, man, with very, very good products. And fuck, I'm glad I did it, actually. So I paid $299 for mine. Mine is just, like I said before, it's the 3.6 liter throttle body, but mine is ported, and it's an 80mm instead of the 74. I did not option for the polished look because oh shit, yo, yeah, man, videos are coming for this, by the way. Videos are coming. But yeah, man, I didn't option for the polished look because it's kind of pointless. Nothing else in my engine bay is polished, and it just would have been weird with that one thing. So I optioned to not do it, man. The Hellcat hood is coming soon. I got new tires on it. That's going to be in a whole separate video, but I replaced the tires. I went a lot wider. I'm actually stretching the limits on the tire sizes on the stock wheels on the 3.6 all-wheel drive. And new tire stickers, man. So I've been busy grinding, trying to come up with good content for y'all, trying to not give y'all the repetitive shit. But yeah, man. But I love it, yo. I love it. The intake is louder. The exhaust sounds different. That's going to be a whole nother video. I'll probably reinstall the OEM one and give y'all the differences in the sounds. But yeah, man, it's a must buy. You have to get this if you're driving a 3.6, man. You have to get it. But yeah, man, enough talking, because y'all don't want to hear me talk. Let's just cut right to the driving in the city scenes, and yeah, let's go. Oh shit. Let's test these R1 concept brakes and rotors.